Today, we'd like to share one of the most charming homes we've come across in a while. It's a farmhouse-style villa in the Molise countryside, which is being sold with an incredible 6 hectares of land on which there are 800 olive trees. That's just shy of 15 acres, and the asking price is €150,000. The home has retained its original rustic character with thick stone walls, terracotta flooring, and exposed beam ceilings, but still feels very bright, fresh, and modern. Overall, it's in very good condition, could be lived in immediately, and the furniture is available to be purchased separately. There's 175 square meters of living space, with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms across 3 floors. The ground floor taverna leads to the outdoor pergola and gazebo, which will be perfect for many alfresco meals and gatherings with family and friends. According to the realtor, this is an oasis of peace and privacy, yet just a stone's throw from Campobasso, which is the capital of the region. The nearest village is Montagano, which is about 2 hours from either Pescara or Naples airports. If you're not familiar with Molise, it's one of Italy's most overlooked regions, by both tourists and international buyers, but it is slowly becoming more popular. It's tucked away between the Apennine Mountains and the Adriatic Sea, and is considered a true hidden gem of the country. It's perfect for outdoor lovers, with towering mountains to the west and beaches along the east coast, and has the nickname the Green Heart of Italy because of its stunning scenery. This would be a wonderful opportunity to live not only in the unspoiled countryside, but also in a truly authentic part of Italy. If you'd like more homes like this in your inbox every week, please check out our website, liveyourdreamitaly.com. And if you have any questions about this home, please contact the realtor directly. Their original listing and contact information is in the video notes below. And if you end up buying this house, please let us know so we can wish you congratulations.